There are some features with Capto adapters holders. First, double connecting coupling. Second, 0.002 positional accuracy. Third, large coupling force. Fourth, high turbo transfer. Fifth, flexible assembly can reduce the stock. We have all series of Capto and have exported to more than 26 countries. Online technical support, OEM and ODM can be provided. Welcome to contact us.